Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Akmal Wafi and I'm going to explain the activity for the lab activity 3. So this is the activity I'm doing here. So we were going to look at the code one by one. So firstly we're going to look at the main activity.java code. So as you can see here, this is the tag for the internet extra, and then this is the order message that will display in the toast and sent to the new activity. As you can see here, this is the on create function, and then this is an on click function. So if you look at here, this is the code you need to add, and then this is the intent creates the message to open to the next screen, and then this is the line to start the new screen, and then this is the inflate the menu that will add item to the action bar if it is present. And then this is for to handle the action bar if you click the item, and then this is will command that will suppress the Android Studio warning about simplify to a return statement. And then this is will display a toast message. This will show a message that the donut image was clicked. If you click the donut image, it will prompt you order a donut. Same goes to the toast with the message. And then this is the ice cream. If you tap the ice cream, it will display you order an ice cream sandwich. And then same goes to the froyo. Then we'll go into order activity.java. As you can see here, this is to get the intent and its data. And then this is to check if the spinner ID is found. And then if you see this toast, your SML ID is not being found by the build. And then if the spinner was found, so we will set the listener, and then this to check the array if it is found, and then this is to create the adapter, and then this is to apply the adapter to the spinner, and then this is the radio button to trigger the event, and then this is to get the ID, and then use itself to prompt the user to display if a user click the same the message service, it will display this message. Okay, and that's all for the code for the activity.java, and I will go into activity main. So as you can see here, this is the code to update to the app bar layout, and then this is to update to the widget toolbar, and then this is to include the point to the content of main.sml file, and then this will update the code to the floating action button. Now we're going to activity order.sml. As you can see here, this is the code. So firstly, it has a text view that will display the text you order or donut, and then this is the text for the name, and then this is the input for the name. It also have the hint that will display enter your name, and then this input for the address, and this is the text view for the address, and then this is the input for the address, phone input for the phone, note input for the note, and then text for choose a delivery method, and then this is the radio group, and then the radio button, so user can choose either one. Button for same day message service, next day ground delivery, or pickup. And then this is the spinner for the user to choose between work, home, and else. And then this is the text view to label spinner. And then this is the content for the main page. So as you can see here, this is the text view to display text of Droid dessert, and then this is the code to display image of the donuts. So it has a description that donut are glazed and sprinkled with candy. So same goes with the ice cream sandwich and froyo. And then this is to display the text. Donuts are glazed and sprinkled with candy, and to display the text. And then the ice cream sandwich, and then the froyo. So that's all for the code, and then we are going to look at the applications. So when you open the application, firstly it will go to the main page. So it will display the donuts, ice cream sandwich, and the froyo. So if you click at the donut, it will display that you order a donut. If you click at the ice cream sandwich, it will display that you order an ice cream sandwich. If you click at the froyo, it will display that you order a froyo. If you click at this, it will have the setting clickable. And then you can tap this button, which is the cart. Okay, so it will go into the form. So firstly you can enter your name. Let's say I want to enter as Akmal Wafi. And then the address, let's say I want to enter number 3 Jalan Firus 1. As you can see here, you can input the multiple line for the address. And phone, let's say I want, so I want it to be as my mobile number. Okay, so I have clicked the mobile number. So let's say notes, so let's say I want the ice cream to be freshly delivered. So you can input note here. So and then this is the radio button, so the user can click either one. So user can click only one button. So let's say I want to click same day. So it will display on the below the prompt that same day messages service, and then next day it will also display that. And lastly, if I click this, it will also display the pickup button. So that's all for the lab 3. Thank you.